A bird.
Come on in, welcome to my crib. So, this is where I look out at nature. These are all my chairs for all my friends. And this is where I like to come and sit and take photos of all the animals that are currently on the lake. Look at all the things I'm observing.
It's so creepy in here though. You can't take pictures of people, that's weird. I wouldn't take a picture of the man.
I've got a picture of the man.
Oh, lovely. I'll do it like a cool little cinematic moment.
Oh, it's a child.
Oh, yeah, don't take a picture of that. And don't confess to it on the internet.
Oh, I didn't know you had it running.
Should we commence? To the lake.
I suppose.
To the lake. We're going back to the lake now.
Watch out!
I found the subjects. Right.
What?
What? Right. He's replying.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. Say cheese again. Oh, I didn't say cheese. I saw something move in the bush. A creature worth photographing. It's the killer. Oh my god, look.
It's like an owl.
Yeah, I just heard an owl. If an owl pops up.
I've got terrible balance as is. I need to find a puddle to wash my feet.
If only there was some water nearby. We're a bit lost. It's okay.
I'll position your phone on the cradle, take a photo.
We are literally the only people here. And we need to depart swiftly.
Let's go up the steep way.